Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here, and today I'm going to talk to you about glutamine, fermented glutamine. And here's the shocker. Did you know the vast majority of amino acids such as glutamine or branched chain amino acids on the market are derived from human hair, bird feathers, or animal fur? A lot of people don't believe me when I say this. When we came out with KAGED Muscle, we really did shake the tree by coming out with single form amino acids that was different to everything else on the market. Why? Because we have fermented plant source amino acids, such as our glutamine here. Now, a lot of those vitamins or amino acids that you're getting on the market, not only are they derived from terrible sources that I wouldn't want to put in my body and I don't want you to put in your body, are usually synthesized with heat, extreme heat, or chemicals. Now, we're part of the health and fitness industry, so where does that fit in? It doesn't. It certainly doesn't. So I want to heal your future. I want to heal my future by putting pure sources into my system. So glutamine coming from a fermented source is what I suggest that you take instead of something from like bird feathers, animal fur, or even worse, human hair. Make your choice.